you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of incoming inventory, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic, trucks, vans, cars, you name it. We have everything. Right now you're looking at a GMC Sierra Duramax diesel. This is a freshwater flood damage vehicle. Just rolled in our yard today. As you can see, there's no corrosion or rust in the engine compartment. This vehicle sits up pretty high, so not likely that water got into the engine through the intake, but we'll check all the fluids as a precautionary measure. Let's do a quick walk around. So far so good. Don't see any condensation in the lights. Body's really clean. Usually you can see a water line somewhere if it was deep. I don't see any indicators yet. This is an X31 off-road edition. It's a fully loaded model. Has a salvage title. Let's take a look inside. Interior is nice. Seat tracks look clean. Carpets are dry. I don't see any signs of water here. There's no odor. This seat looks like it's a little forward. Maybe the seat motor was affected. If there was water in here, it was definitely fresh water. I don't see any corrosion. It's dry now. So what we'll do is we'll probably have to pull the interior on this, clean some contacts, make sure everything is dry. Yeah, look at that. There's a little corrosion there, so definitely a little water got in here. See a little mud here too. Alright, so not too bad. Definitely fresh water. This seat looks like it doesn't work. It's stuck in the up front position. But I'm sure we could get this one running. So we're going to pull the interior on this, get to work, see if we can get it running. As soon as we make some progress, we'll post it on the website with our findings, price, title type, mileage. Check back. Stay tuned.